Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily join all the objects in your drawing. So let's make it quick, since I don't want to really waste your time. So let's create an object from a couple of lines, maybe like this. Go abstract, go bonanza, like this, okay, like this. Okay, and as you can see, this object is created from multiple lines. So you see, like, this is the whole new stuff. So if we want to join it, it's quite easy. We are going to select all of it. Okay, I said all of it. Write down join. And as you can see, right now we have one whole complete, let's say, what is it? Mushroom? Yeah, let's go with mushroom. It works on not only this, but if you want to create any other shape, obviously, from different lines, all you have to do is check it all and write down join and join it. And just like that, as you can see, you will only have one object. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.